In this video I'm going to show you how to upload video on TikTok. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open TikTok and make sure your TikTok apps is up to date, and then just open TikTok from iPhone or Android. Then as you can see, here is TikTok home page or home. Then tap on profile icon, or you can upload video from here. Just plus icon, tap on plus icon, and here is open front camera by default, and you can directly record from here, or you can just upload your existing video from camera roll. Then tap on upload here, and here select any video like this one. I'm going to upload this video, but before uploading just I need to customize something. So I can edit from this here. Just tap on to edit, and you can crop like vertical mode, because this video is landscape. So tap on edit, scissor icon, then swipe left, then here is crop, then tap on. As you can see, this video is vertical landscape, but I'm going to crop it to vertical. So tap here any frame. So I'm going to use 9:16. Just tap. As you can see, it's cropped, and I can play to check. As you can see, it's cropped according to TikTok style. Then tap on save, and you can add any music here. Just go back and tap on sound, and replace sound, it's added. So you can use any of music from here, like I'm using searching for. So searching music like this, and you can play music from here just like from. Then tap on select, and it's added on your TikTok video. Then tap on next, and enter captions, and add some hashtag from here. Just hashtag, just video, add something. Or you can add your customize. Then you can tag someone or add locations. Tap on locations and select any location from here, or just searching for here. So I'm adding this. Then tap on post. So it's uploading. As you can see here, showing uploading status, and it's uploaded. So here's this video uploaded on here. So that way you can upload video on TikTok. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.